Hello friends, welcome once again to my weekend trips. Friends, today let me take you to a beautiful fort located in the beautiful hills of Coorg. The fort is known as Madikeri Fort. This historical fort holds a great significance and is a popular tourist destination in the region. Built in the 17th century by Maduraja, the fort has witnessed many battles and it now stands as a reminder of the region's rich history and culture. The sturdy walls and bastions of the fort provide a glimpse into the past, where it served as a military stronghold for various rulers. Inside the fort, you can explore various sections that once served different purposes, such as the palace itself, the temple, and the prison, and there is a museum as well. The architecture and design of the fort reflects the influence of different ruling dynasties, making it an intriguing amalgamation of different architectural styles. From the top of the fort, you can enjoy a breathtaking panoramic view of the surrounding landscape. You can see lush green hills and the town of Madikeri. The peaceful atmosphere and historical significance of the fort makes it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Coorg. Whether you are a history enthusiast or simply seeking a serene and beautiful setting, Madikeri Fort is sure to leave you with a lasting impression. Please note that the fort has a very limited parking. The parking is in front of the fort entrance, and if you are going to visit the fort sometime in the afternoon or evening, you might have difficulty in finding a parking place. So my suggestion will be that you visit the fort a bit early in the morning when the fort opens, when it is easy to find the parking. Remember that fort is quite big and you have to walk a lot. So make sure that you carry a water bottle along with you, because inside the fort you will not get anything to buy. On the right hand side of the fort, you can climb up on the walls of the fort and you can get the nice view of city from top of the fort. The museum is on the left hand side of the entrance and it's a great museum. Make sure that you do not forget to visit the museum. The museum has got many rich historical artifacts, as well as around just outside the museum you will find lot of hero stones which are interesting to see. So friends, it's a wonderful place to visit, and you should visit it if you are in Coorg. This place is also very near to Sri Omkareshwara Temple as well as Raja's seat. In fact, you can park the car in front of the fort and then you can also go and visit Sri Omkareshwara Temple. So friends, I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.